My baby Bree, today let you go. Allow me to reminisce our beautiful journey together over the past 4 years. The first time I saw you, you were the shy one in your litter. Your brother was charming and persistent, but you stayed in the corner, quietly staring at me with that sweet little smile. You gently bit my finger, and in that moment, I chose you. I brought you to my car in a small box. You looked at me, wondering where we were headed, smiling and licking my face. You seemed grateful, but now I know I am the grateful one. You were a blessing during the lockdown. At the resto, I placed your box on the table. You just sat there, smiling. I called my mom. She carried you, and somehow, you already knew you had a new mom. We put you in your small red playpen. Days passed, and all you wanted was to play with the others. Mommy Brandy, Kuya Butter, and the cats. Especially Biscoff, your favorite kuya. One night in BGC, while out on a walk, we noticed you were feverish. The vet said it was parvo. We isolated you and took turns sleeping beside you at Hatch Hub. Days went by and you fought bravely. You survived. You were playful and lazy all at once. You barked at your reflection. You slept like a baby in our beds. You loved our kisses. You loved attention. You smiled for cameras. You posed naturally and charmed strangers. Looking back at my phone now, I know you knew how beautiful you were. You loved going out, long city drives, trips to UPTC and Eastwood, walks in Makati and Baguio. You were always excited and always rushing ahead. We tried socializing you with other dogs, but you were clearly an independent woman. You joined us at Maginhawa events, tail wagging, heartful. When we adopted Bacon, you were a little jealous. Maybe you wondered why this small dog kept barking at you. But in time, you became friends. Then came Barley in 2024. You welcomed him warmly, even when he grew bigger than everyone else. You had your moody days. You always fix your pillow and comforter before sleeping. But you were happy, loved by everyone, always the star, our golden little furry star, mom and dad's baby. We ended 2025 with many vet visits, yet you still reassured us with your smile. We were ready to face 2026 together. Your favorite walks, your favorite places, your favorite people. I did not know you were already slowing down, shutting down. 6 days at the vet, then more days at home. And then, you fell asleep and never woke up again. At your wake, you looked so peaceful, so beautiful. We cried endlessly. Our grief has no words. But I find comfort knowing you are free from pain now, breathing easily, playing with our loved ones in paradise. Goodbye for now, my dearest baby Bree. I love you. I love you.